up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back for those that have been here before. It's a beautiful fall morning here in New Mexico. Nice brisk chill in the air. My New Mexicans out there, we know what it's like. We enjoy this time of year. It's chili season, green chili season. So we got a lot of roasted green chili stocked in our freezer with chili. So it's a big year for a big time of the year for us, rather. Anyway, today we're going to be covering a major tip that I learned along the way from camping. So the game plan was this fall or late summer to buy a fifth wheel. Okay, for those that have seen the channel before, I have a Ram 2500 turbo diesel Cummins, and I purchased this with the intent of buying a fifth wheel and being able to add that specific convenience to my family's life when we camp or when I go hunting. And we do a lot of outdoor stuff, so the camper would be used a lot. The pandemic kind of got in the way of that, but that's okay. That's a minor setback. The time's coming. But one of the things that I did along the way figure out, something that I want to pass on to you guys, those watching this video, who love to camp and maybe are looking for a little bit of convenience without spending the big money on the camper fifth wheel or such. One of the big things that is kind of an inconvenience, especially now that I have a family, I got a wife and a daughter, having to use the restroom, okay? So a lot of us know, especially us hunters, right? It's 5 in the morning, 4:30, whatever. We're getting up early, get some coffee in us, eat a little bit of breakfast, get ready to put in some miles out there when we're hunting. But one part of the process is actually, you know, throwing the toilet paper under the arm and heading out to go talk to a man about a horse, as it were, and use the restroom. You know, and in the morning during hunting season, it's cold. It's cold, so you head out and you go do your business, and you're cold and you gotta chill, and now you gotta warm up before you head out, and it's just a major inconvenience. Is it doable? Yes. I did it for years upon years, for hunting, camping, doesn't matter. I've done it every year. At this point in my life, I decided, you know what? I need to make some changes to this. Now I have a wife and a daughter, and I need to do something that's gonna make it a little bit more convenient before we get our camper, which, you know, we'll take care of all the convenience that we could possibly even need. So this trick is important. It might even change your outlook on camping altogether in terms of convenience. So stay tuned and we'll jump right into it. All right, guys, so the first thing you think about when you have a family and using the restroom is privacy, right? So I went out and found one of these. These are very inexpensive. I'll put the price on the screen. It's a privacy shelter, right? So you have your little window for air ventilation, little compartment here. It's pretty simple. It comes with the covering on the bottom that you hook into the tent itself. It comes with a door that you can zip, and they're inexpensive. So now you have some privacy, but what are we gonna do about the restroom? Now, you can do things like the Home Depot bucket, right? People get a Home Depot bucket, line it with a trash bag, put a little toilet seat on top, and use the restroom. Now, that's a great idea. I've actually used one of those in the past, and it's definitely better than, you know, popping a squat in, you know, the woods. It helped with the convenience of it. But then you have to deal with, you know, okay, wrap it up, close the bag up. What are you gonna do with the bag? You're not gonna go and just throw it in your normal trash. You gotta put it in a separate bag, put it off to the side. Hopefully the animals don't get to it. But it is more convenient. But I did find a better way to do this so that you don't have to worry about it. And here it is. It's a little 5-gallon toilet that comes with 2 pieces. It comes with this bottom piece, the reservoir, the holding tank, and it comes with a toilet seat comes with something that flushes. You fill your tank from there. And there you have it. This top part comes off and you can carry that like a tote and you can dispose of it. Now you're gonna wanna use biodegradable toilet paper and such so when you dispose of it, but that's it. It's very simple and it's easily stowable. And this is it. Now you have privacy. Now you have a toilet to sit on and you don't have to worry about bagging it. And you can just take this thing, walk out to an area, set it up. It does come with some strings so that you can secure it. You can stake it in from the bottom. You can tie it in at the top with the string here or towards the middle. And this thing is secure. When it gets a little bit windy, it bends and folds a little bit, but it's designed to do that so that it doesn't just tip over. It flexes with the wind, but ultimately, you have your privacy. So now, when you go camping, you can stow this away into nothing and set it up when you go out there, and then you don't have to worry about squatting in the woods anymore. Now you have privacy. Now you have somewhere to sit and use the restroom and do your business, and it is good. I've used it on 6 or 7 camping trips now, and it is awesome. And this toilet is not very expensive. And I'll list the price on the screen. But there are a number of these types of toilets, and there are a number of different types of privacy tents. This is just what I came across. But in the thick of things, when you're looking at convenience, you have anywhere from 10,000 to the sky's the limit on a camper, or you spend less than $200 or so for this right here. And let me tell you, the convenience of having this, especially with my wife and daughter, has definitely improved our camping situation. It is so awesome. It's so great. I don't have to worry about my daughter using the restroom anymore. She just goes into the privacy tent, uses the toilet, flushes the toilet, and it's just like having a toilet at home, and she's comfortable and it's all good. And even for me, super comfortable, privacy. It's so awesome. So again, we have our privacy tent. Okay, I listed the price, very inexpensive. Then we have our portable toilet. I listed the price, moderately inexpensive, but worth it. And as I showed before, you can stow away this thing to nothing. You can stow it anywhere. It's such a great idea that I had to share it on YouTube because, like me, there's other people out there with families who just don't want to squat anymore, or that just deters them from going camping. Here is your answer, or here is one of the answers. Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this tip and trick. I was gonna add a bonus one, but this video kind of ran a little bit longer than I expected. So I will do another video with some tips and tricks in it to help make things a little more convenient. I hope you guys get something out of this. Take this idea and make different variations of it, or hit your local sporting goods store and find these products, and it will make your life a lot easier along the way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there's some changes that I can make to make it more convenient. Tell me what your guys are doing out there for this particular situation. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.